Hello everyone, I'm George from TSS, and in this video I'll be unboxing the TSS multi-point door handles with 92 PZ, 122mm screw centres, and this particular handle has the longer back plate. Like all TSS multi-point door handles, these are supplied boxed with the TSS branded sleeve. The sleeve displays all of the product's key information. Got some more information on the side, specification and line drawing on the back there. The box itself also has the product's information either side, so these are perfect for retail or in the back of the van. Inside the box you will receive the handle set and an accessory pack. The accessory pack includes 2 spring cassettes, a solid spindle which measures 8mm by 125mm, and 2 sets of colour coordinated fixings, one 75mm in length and one 85mm in length. All of the components in the box, including the levers, are individually bagged. This avoids any damage in transit, any unnecessary scratching on the handles. These handles are available in polished chrome, as you can see in the video here, polished brass, silver, black and white. The polished brass, polished chrome and silver are salt spray tested to 240 hours, making them suitable for coastal areas as they're weather resistant. And all of the TSS multi-point door handles are cycle tested to 50,000 operations. I'm going to go over the measurements for you now. As you can see, the handles are in line, so both measurements for each side are identical. You have a back plate measurement of 245mm, a width of 34mm, PZ of 92mm, the top screw to spindle cutout is 22mm, the base of the Euro to bottom screw is 27mm, and the screw centres are 122mm. Thank you for watching.